Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making an outdoor table that cost me around $150 to make. And I want to share this with you because I really had fun making this one. So let's start the show. So here are the materials and the tools that we need for this project. You can always pause this video, be able to get this list. And here are the dimensions for the height, the width, and the length of the table. So you can pause that. Starting on the base with a 28-inch width by 60-inch length and 28-inch high base. I started constructing all this wood using a pocket hole jig kit, so you're not going to be exposing any wood screws in the corners. And here it is. I'm going to be starting working on the brace. It's a 2x4, and you can always put a lot of brace, just making sure that the base will be stable. So I doubled up on the brace, as you see, just to make sure I have enough reinforcement. And for the tabletop, it was 4 pieces of a common pine board. Very inexpensive, little flimsy, but again, it's supposed to be $150 budget. I started connecting them together using again the pocket hole jig kit and of course wood glue. And here's the fun part, sanding it. Actually, before I started doing this, I used a wood putty, filling up all the holes and deformities of the wood. And with this one, you're gonna need a sander. Don't be skipping this step, because you really want to have that smooth surface of the table, so when you do your painting. And here comes the tabletop. It really took me a long time working on this one, because again, it was an expensive board, a lot of deformities. And again, don't skip this part, because once you stain this wood, you want to make sure that it shows very smooth, as you see here. And here I started painting the base of the table with a matte black paint, and with this one any paint will do. And here are the sanding sealer, clear top coat, and the rustic wood stain that I used. I wanted to show you which brand I chose. This channel is not in any way affiliated with them, but more importantly, I used the sand sealer first to make sure that when you put the wood stain, it wouldn't seep into the wood, and this will give you an even stain throughout the wood grain of the board. And then I used the clear top coat, and I believe I did about 6 coats for this one, making sure that you have enough waterproofing, since it's an outdoor table exposed to any weather. And here it is. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.